It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I had quite the day today. My phone battery percentage came on, so I don't know if it glitched out, but I had quite the day today. I went shopping. I don't want to wear my glasses. Let's take those off. Okay. Let's just dive right in. All right. First stop was Ulta. So let's take a look at what I got. All right. So this first one is this BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles makeup palette, and those are all the colors. It's kind of hard for you to see, but I love it. Next up is this Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, L'Oreal Paris. Next is this Cinnamon Swirl Too Faced palette. I will open it up so you can see the colors a lot better. This one is gorgeous. I love it. I am really happy with this purchase for sure. Next up is this Kylie Jenner High Gloss in the color Slept On, which is number 208. Let me bring it out so you can see the color. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the color. It is just this glossy color. I'm more of a gloss person. I don't really like matte. I was gonna get a matte lipstick, but I was like, I don't really like matte. Okay. Then next are these Truly Treats Breakouts. There are 36 hemp acne patches. They're hemp and salicylic acid, drug-free, and non-drying. They're little weed patches. And then I got this Vegan Beauty Super Pomade. You can use it for eyeliner, shadow, and brow pigment. And I got it in the color Medium Brown 50. I have a brow pomade, but it is not the best, so I'm happy to try that out. And then I got this e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush. It's got the spoolie and then the little pomade brush at the bottom. And then I got the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. It's a waterproof liquid eyeliner in the color Trooper Black. I love it. Well, I haven't tried it yet, so I can't really say I love it. And then I got this Ulta Beauty Watermelon Refresh Facial Mist. It's hydrating. So what I'm going to do is in the morning, before I do my makeup, before I do everything, after I wash my face, but before I do my makeup, I will put this on. And that is all that I got from Ulta. I am really happy with my purchase. And then the next stop was Buckle. And there is one thing in here that is not for me because I got it for my cousin for his birthday. So I've got two things in here that I got from Buckle. The first shirt. It's more of a summer shirt, but it's still adorable. It's this one. It's like lacy and it's got this like baby pink color with like black floral design. And then at the bottom, it does have this little thing to tighten it. And then I got this shirt. And it's super cute. It's like a baby blue color. And it's got a little slit right by the boobie area. So that is what I got from Buckle. The next stop was Spencer's. So I got this Flaming Hot Cheeto pillow. I love Flaming Hot Cheetos, so I really love this pillow. And then I got 2 shirts since I had my little card where I could buy a shirt and get one for free. So the first one is this one, and it just has a monkey on it, and it says 38 baby. And then I got this black one, and it just says antisocial. It's like a black tie-dye, black and gray tie-dye, and it just says antisocial. So that is from Spencer's. And then from TJ Maxx, brace yourself. These boots are so cute. Oh my gosh. They got like little chains on the side. It's just so cute. I love this purchase. And they got like sort of a little heel. I love them. Ah. Yeah, I really love them. And then I got a pair of pants from TJ Maxx. And there's a free hair accessory with the purchase. So this is the little scrunchie. And then they're just a pair of black skinny jeans. So that is what I got shopping today. Yeah, it's quite a lot if I add everything up, which I don't want to. It'd be quite a bit. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye.